Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we started the recording now. Anur, we're just waiting for Anur to. Anur, you are here, right?
Yeah.
Let's start the next station. Let me put the timer.
Yes, before that, let me say the scenario.
Yeah.
A 25 years old man presents with pain in the right ankle after twisting it during a football match. Your task, examine the patient right ankle joint.
Okay, start.
Start now, yes.
Okay, hello, my name is Dr. Anur, one of the surgical doctor of today. May I confirm your name and age, please?
My name is Mohammed Siddiq Ibrahim, and I'm 71 years.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Muhammad. Today I would like to examine your foot. This examination to your ankle. This examination involves I have a look at your ankle. Also, I have to feel your ankle and doing some special tests. Is that okay with you, Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah, you are welcome.
Okay. Do you have any pain, Mr. Muhammad?
That's just right now I have I'm not quite comfortable in my right.
Okay, can you point the side? Is that pain?
Yeah, this side.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. I'm really sorry for that. I will be gentle in this around this area. Okay. Can I offer something with you?
All right.
Okay, please, nurse, can you give him some painkiller? Okay, how do you feel now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Shall I proceed?
Yeah, welcome.
Okay, Mr. Muhammad, I need from you to stand up and to walking a few minutes around this wall.
Yeah.
Okay, I can support you. Do you use any walking aids?
No.
Okay, I will support you. Okay. Okay. Can you move by your heel?
No.
Okay. Can you move by your toes? Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Thank you. Great job. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I need from you, I want to have a look at your ankle, okay? I want to look from the side. Okay, from side also. I want to look from your behind, okay? Okay, Mr. Muhammad, thank you. Right now, I need from you to sit down here, okay?
Just the view, please. Okay, yes, okay. Perfect.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Muhammad, do you have any pain?
Yeah, just right now it's good.
Adjust the view, please.
Let us see the ankle. Just put the camera down if you can. Or you can put his legs on
a pillow.
Put his feet on a pillow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop the time, please, Ali. Yeah, continue.
Yeah. Okay. I wanna feel your ankle, Mr. Muhammad. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any pain?
Yeah.
Okay, you say it in this side. Yeah, I will be gentle around this area. Okay. Okay. I want to feel your temperature, Mr. Muhammad. Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I want to feel your pulses, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I want to feel this pulse also. Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I want to squeeze at your ankle. Okay, I'll be gentle at that side of point. Okay. Okay, so the other side also. Okay. I'm really sorry.
No,
I'm really sorry. Okay, thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I need from you to move your foot downward as much as you can. Okay, thank you. Can you move your foot upward? Thank you. I need from you to move your foot aside. Okay, thank you. The other side also. Thank you. This foot also. Okay, the other side. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. I want to do the same movement by my hand. Okay?
Okay, welcome.
Okay, I'll be gentle with you. Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm really sorry for that. Okay. Okay, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I want to do some special test. Okay. It is a little uncomfortable, but important for diagnosis, Mr. Muhammad. Okay. I need from you. I want to push your. I want to push your leg downward. Okay. Okay. The other also. Okay. Thank you. I want to do another special test also. Okay. Okay. It's called clear throat. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Right now, I need from you to put your leg, to put your ankle here like this. You want to squeeze at your calf.
Yeah, like that.
Like this. Okay, I want to squeeze at your calf. Do you have any pain?
No.
Okay. Thank you. The other leg also. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. Right now, I complete my examination. Do you need help me to do this?
Yeah, I'm comfortable.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
How many time remained, Ali?
1 minute. You have 1 minute
You would
remains.
like to do anything, Mr. Noor?
Okay. Signs of patient, washing my hand.
You can
already
do that now?
did that.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have 1 minute. Do you want to proceed to the presentation?
Okay. That's it.
Okay, put the
All
timer for
right.
3 minutes, Ali.
Start 3 minutes, yes.
Could you please present your case?
Okay. Today I did ankle examination for Mr. Muhammad, 25 years old, presented with ankle pain. At examination, there is swelling at lateral side of his ankle, and also there is tenderness at the right side of the ankle. When I did anterior, the patient has a positive anterior, so positive talar test and negative anterior drawl test and Simon test. So my top differential diagnosis the patient has ankle sprain with most probably anterior calcaneofibular injury. And also I have to exclude the other differential in form of undisplaced fracture, fibular fracture, and also fracture base of fifth tarsal, and other kinds of fracture, mezzanine fracture.
And what joints would you examine next?
Yeah, I have to examine the foot and also knee joint to exclude the reveral pain.
Okay, can you mention what are the ankle ligament complexes?
Ankle ligament complexes, there is medial side, there is 4 kinds of ligament in the medial side, anterior and posterior tibio-talar ligament, and also tibio-calcaneal and tibio-navicular. I see. Lateral side, there is posterior and anterior talofibular, and also there is calcaneofibular ligament.
Okay, perfect. And what's your investigation for this patient?
Yeah, first I have to order hematological investigation in form of complete blood count and inflammatory markers, and doing the X-ray for these patients, and doing X-ray anterior, posterior, lateral, and also in this joint we need to do mortise view. After that, I do X-ray for tibia, upper tibia, and fibula to exclude the other kind of fracture like mezzanine fracture, and also doing MRI to exclude soft tissue injury.
Yes, okay. And how to approach this patient if the patient has sprain, as you said?
First, I have to start by analgesia and also the patient rest his foot. After that, we're doing the posterior slab for the right ankle, and doing physiotherapy.
Okay. And if undisplaced fibular fracture?
Undisplaced, we also need to do posterior slab for more than 1 month. After that, I have to call my consultant, orthopedic consultant.
Okay, and if displaced?
If displaced, we need to do ORIF, upper reduction internal fixation.
Okay, this is the last question. This is session very nice. And Noor, I think you made this
just
session.
The time just finished now, so he finished within the time. Yes.
Yes. So Noor, from the beginning, again, you forget to wash your hands. At the beginning and at the end of the session, you introduce yourself in a very nice way. Hello, my name is Noor. I am one of the surgical doctor. I would like to examine, not I have been asked. You said I would like to examine your ankle joint. The examination could be looking feeling and do some special tests. Perfect. You start looking, you ask about the walking aids, and you support the patient while walking. Very nice. And you start feeling the temperature by your dorsum of your hands at the ankle and then above and below, and you check the pulse the both posterior tibial and dorsalis pedis, and you organize your palpation in this station. I'm so happy. And you start by 5 metatarsal base and midfoot, and then lateral malleus, medial malleus, until proximal fibula. And you ask the patient to do the movement. But Anur, while doing palpation, you should look to the patient expression. Yeah, it is very important, because if the patient felt pain, you should stop or offer analgesia. Okay. And the special test, you did the anterior drawer test, just not pushing downward. I will push your ankle joint forward or upward. Okay. Also, you forget to do inversion and eversion, the active movement. Okay. And the last thing, Anur, when you the tiller tail test, okay, the first thing you should ask the patient to inversion, then dorsiflexion, after that plantar flexion, then anatomical position, and the last step is inversion. Okay, review it from the school. It will be very nice. Ali, I would like to share it from the school if I can.
I don't think we need to. We can just. I just want to add 2 points. You said there's some grammatical problem that you need to fix. I know I will give you 8 out of 10. Also, you're gonna pass this station. I mean 18 out of 20. You did every single important step right. But instead of can I offer some painkiller with you, you can say can I offer you some painkiller? You don't need to say with you. Can I offer some painkiller with you? That's not right. You can just say can I offer you some painkillers? And also, you said walk for a few minutes, right? You should say, hey, I just want you to walk for a few steps, not minutes. Okay? So you don't want him to walk for a few minutes. Your all station is just 10 minutes. You can just say, I would just want you to walk for a few steps. As Muhammad said, one of the most important point while you're touching your patient, you need to do eye-to-eye contact. They like it very much here, because that means you are considerate of your patient. But you mentioned your patient name multiple times. You were very communicative. You explained every single step, next step. I think that's a very good job. I don't have any other point, Muhammad.
Yeah, the last point, Ali, regarding professionalism in the discussion. And when I ask you, what's your investigation? You know that the 3 minutes for discussion may finish at any second. So you should start by the most important. In this station, as it is an orthopedic, you should start by imaging. I will do imaging like blah, blah, blah. Then blood investigation, like CBC and other investigation, okay? Otherwise,
that
you answer all questions correctly.
Yeah, that doesn't mean blood investigation is not important. It just, you just need to put priorities. Fine. That's all for today, Muhammad. Do you want to add anything?
No. I would like to show him school, Ali.
He saw it earlier, Muhammad. I just want to make 1 point for everyone. Next station, you can text me from now.